tradition loved by many, but it's also turning into a life-threatening gamble.
That's right. Ice fishing may look peaceful on frozen lakes, but...
So very scary. 7 News Detroit reporter Evan Siri takes us there.
To avoid falling through the ice,
go where other people have been and just wait for the ice, what I believe is thick enough.
Very unsafe this time of year. Very unsafe this time of year.
Old Larry showed up. So we're out here, guys. It's Friday. I have to check on the date. But 40 degrees. This is after all that rain we had yesterday. Ice is still nice and thick. Just want to use caution, right? Always want to use that caution. Must have a lot of guys spooked because there might be like 5 other guys, half a dozen other guys out here. Let's see what we can get done though. Tune back in soon. Alright, I think we got a spot to set up on here. We got some structure. There's a little turn and there's a high spot right over there with some weeds on it. So I'm hoping they'll be using this as a little route to get shallow and deep. So I'm going to do some intercepting of it. That's the plan. That's the plan for right now, baby. Now let's go inside and get her going. Well, guys, look who stopped by to pay us a visit. Just got that nice walleye. The water's clouded up a little bit, enough to where I can't see the bottom. In 6 feet, there's probably, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 feet visibility. That's where having these electronics are going to come in handy. She's getting a little saucy out here, boys. She's getting a little saucy. Not by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Puffin' and puffin' and blow your house down. Huffin' and I'm puffin' and I'll blow your house down. Huffin' and I'm puffin' and I'll blow your house down. Boys are doing their thing. Checking up on everybody. Woo! I don't believe the stubbornness of these fish. They're just stubborn sometimes. I don't know about you, but I don't go to a restaurant to stare at the menu. Old Larry showed up. Instantly got one down here. Just got a nice walleye. Old Walter slid in and did his thing for us. Okay.